Back in business.
Alright. Brew.
Okay. It's funny. Okay.
Brew vlog, take 2.
Say hi. Hello.
She's a great stirrer. Are you catching this technique?
It should go both directions.
Notice the wrist.
So you really try and separate the pieces.
The pieces of bacon.
Yeah. With the full effect.
I hope everybody's catching this expert advice from Chef Moody. Over here on this side of the stove, we have the roux. Got nice and dark. We're gonna save that for later though. Right now we're just cooking up some bacon grease. So this is Ysabel cutting up an onion. If you notice her pro technique, years of experience
Yep.
it took her to get this way, so very impressive. Have you ever seen anybody cut an onion like that before? Just amazing. Just think all that wasted talent on softball and volleyball, and she could be a culinary genius. So Izzy has informed me that I'm cutting up a bell pepper all wrong, and she's showing me how to do it the right way. I'm gonna video this so that the rest of America can catch on to exactly how to cut up a bell pepper the correct and professional way.
Obviously, you're gonna.
I'm learning a lot
take the
today.
seeds out.
Yeah, for
Make sure there's.
she's gutting the bell pepper as we speak. No mercy upon the bell pepper at all. Gonna render all that down. So now, since Ysabel is too preoccupied with so-called friends who don't come help make gumbo and stays in Dallas, then I'm gonna go ahead and add the sausage to the pan. I've already added the garlic. So now we're gonna add the chicken. We got the bacon, onions, bell peppers, and sausage, and garlic, and Izzy just added the chicken. We'll get all that stirred up in there. Go ahead, give me a show you right.
Wait, I don't remember.
Come on, show you right.
Show you right.
We're gonna start working on the roux some more. We're gonna put some chicken stock in the pan. We're just gonna go ahead and get that started. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the roux. Get it close, and there you go. Just scoop out the roux and we're gonna add all that roux into the chicken stock because it's gonna take a while to come together. And just start adding.
Yay!
Start combining the two together.
Like,
Yeah, I would scoop. I mean, it might take a little bit longer, but whatever. We're gonna add our ingredients to the roux. Got the roux nice and dark. Everybody makes gumbo a different way. This is my dad's recipe. Soon to be Izzy's, and she'll make it her own. And do things different. They were having a raging party before we got here because they're all just laid out. Every last one of them. Aurora, were y'all partying before we got here? What were y'all doing? Were y'all being good doggies or bad doggies? Were you a bit hungover? I mean, look at them. Does that look like a hungover face to you? I think so. I want to know what you guys were getting into while we were gone. Huh? Prince. I know, buddy. It hurts. That's the price you pay when you party too hard.